androgynous costumes, modern beauty standards, everyone's paint. Dude, that's just how people are. Your media.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be reacting to Beirut explosion compilation. You should have seen how big the explosion was. Look at this. Let's watch it. Look at this. Oh, cuss word. Just don't take note of that cuss word. This is, look at how big this explosion is, though. Look at that. Look at that thing, though. Look at that blast wave. Look at that. You shouldn't be driving towards it. You should be driving away. Your window gone. Your window's gone. Look at this, though. Big boom. Look at this. Why does he have 666 subs? That's a occurrence. That's only 2 kilotons. Something that only 2 kilotons can do a lot. But look at this.
I still don't like that. I'm sorry, I don't. I just have to do a little, throw the timer up. Yeah, ooh, the timer, oh no. I'm sorry, but if you go onto any website...
That probably felt like a gunshot, oh my god. No cuss words, thank you fully. We're only gonna be watching like half an hour of this. Just nice music. That's a video of my friend. Wait, let me see that. That's a video my friend took while at work. Oh yeah. Is she ever gonna be going to work anymore? He, not she. I thought it was a she. Goodbye, glass. All the glass fell over everywhere, basically. That's far. That's safe. No blast wave. Sad. Wait, 22 hours. No, wait. 21 hours, 52 minutes until I can start live streaming. Yay. Look at that! Oh my god, that was like fast. Are they really standing in front of a window? Oh, wow. Look at this explosion. Big boom, big boom. That big of an explosion, and it only was 2 kilotons of TNT as a relative, I can't pronounce anything today, oh my god. As a relative mass. Ah, my headphones. They're being overloaded with water noises. Oh, look at that explosion. Oh, This is I think this is a restaurant. Is it? I don't know if this is a restaurant or not. Ooh, no, I think that's a hotel. Yeah, I think that's a hotel.
Also adjust the pace for all sorts of stuff. Yeah, this is getting it. Grown man playing at a playground all by himself started that. Oh, okay. It took me about half a second, but I see it all. I see it. I know what this is. The perfect
Wow,
home
that's
starter
big
pack.
explosion.
Plus, ice cold water, beer is acceptable. Rainy outside. Everyone's online and we are invisible playing single player games. We buy a fresh pizza. Okay, PC Master Race or whatever, bro. Ethernet. Random guy who won't stop following.
Oh my god!
Okay, it's still working.
Oh my god!
There's just no noise.
Very defensive fan.
Cuss word, oh my god. Cuss word. Stop saying cuss words on my YouTube channel.
I'm gonna watch here.
Not, oh my god. Wow, look at that spear. That's a spear of water vapor or steam. You can just watch what you want to watch. I'm just reacting to this. I'm not talking about your video that you're watching. Oh my god. Let me watch that again. They realized and then boom. That man right there. That man I'm circling my mouse around. We didn't get to see the rest, but I think he got launched. He moved he probably didn't because it moved because that type of stuff moves like that because of the speed of which the blast wave is hitting. Because of all the water vapor that's next to it, because it exploded at a harbor, all the water vapor condensates and bends light because of how much of a condensation of water there is, which is pretty cool. But not cool for these people. Oh my god, look at this one. Is this what is this again? Joy, what's this thing again? Oh, sorry. What's this thing again? Joy, what's this thing again? What's this place called? Isn't this a hospital?
Oh, NICU.
I think it's a hospital. Oh, it's a nursery. It says it. It's a nursery. Ooh. Is she okay though? Those seats aren't good though. Wow. I'm glad no babies were in those seats. Oh my god. Floor 5 of a nursery. This is an office, I think. Okay, please get down. Please get down. That was a warrant. Oh my god. You had to stay on the call. Look at that though. Oh my. It's bright purple. Oh my. Wait, this is in a different room. This is a different area. Oh my god. I thought she got crushed by the thingies. The power went out. Wow, I should be inside if I were you. Main enter of SD. What is that? Probably somewhere in Beirut, because that's where the blast took place. That's a helipad. Helipad, not a helipad. Helipad. Look at this though. Big explosion, oh my god. I heard that this did $15 billion of damages. 15 billion. I don't live in Beirut, but I think I've seen a place that looks like that in my home place. Your main desk. Look at this one. Okay, this is in a clinic. Oh, at least there's no windows there. He did the right thing. Sure did the right thing. Those easels and those doors got launched. God. Say goodbye to the doors. Say goodbye to most everything there. Oh my god. Is that a subway? Oh, I thought it was a subway. Wait, that wasn't that bad. Probably far away. Outside a garden. Oh my. Look at that. It came from that vent. Look. Oh my god. It all emitted from that vent right there. Big boom. That's all ammonium nitrate. That cloud, this cloud right here is all ammonium nitrate, and the initial explosion exploded the rest to make more explosion. He's on rocks. Oh my god, that must. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna watch half an hour of this, and then we're gonna watch this video right here. Okay, at least he's good. Please move. Big boom incoming. Big boom incoming. Oh my god, I feel bad for these people. Hmm. That means that explosion already happened. So that was just the aftermath. But look at how big that cloud is. Oh my god. Look at this one. Boom. Boom. Oh my god. This is just harsh. Oh my god. This is harsh. This is harsh.
A black Santa Claus with white legs.
What the hell?
I'm not sure what this is, maybe, and it smells like it's been stored at a zoo.
I mean, at least you got the Christmas tree with it.
Well, let's look at this one. So this one is cut off by a building. We'd still get to
By
see
the
the
way,
explosion.
everyone's fucking mentally ill this fucking.
But
It's fucking PS5. Get over yourself.
Yeah. It's computer.
And it's empty, which is funny as hell. Oh, it's books, which is even funnier as hell.
Yeah.
did I just see an oil tanker? That was
Don't you ever do this again. Elijah, Merry Christmas. I love you. Always. Merry Christmas. What is it? Oh, it's Christmas pajamas. Christmas pajamas.
Broke my ass again. Yeah.
Open it up. Lay it down. What's wrong? What the hell? What are we doing? Oh,
Oh, jeez.
sorry.
Fine.
Okay, I'm back. So let's look at this now. I want to go get to the bathroom. Oh, I gotta go turn the light off. Be right back. Oh, 200,000 views. I wish I had that many views.
Don't come to find out, I'm the most fucking out of whack person. I was a sheltered kid, and when I turned 18, I did lots of drugs. Until pretty much met Diane. Oh my god, it's so dark in here. But yeah, so much the most out of whack how you will ever meet. Yeah, that's about it.
We've only watched 17 minutes, but I want to look at this one. After this one, I'm gonna end the video.
Taking off too, just in case you want to copy the setup and ruin the ride that you're acting. Seriously, it would be more comfortable driving around with an axe in your spine. Again, these are in dire need of a refurb, but the genuine BBS
Wow.
miles from the BMW E21. 13-inch, the same
Wait, what's
4x100
this? Oh yeah, I've watched this.
I've got the tyres for these too, so I'll hand it over a real life loop now just to take you through the specs before I send them off to get refurbished. In a bit. Here we have it then. We've got the off-road setup, second generation.
Oh, pretty cool. So I'm gonna end the video off there. So I'll see you all later. Bye. There we go.